My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle has done just under 69,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we can see that we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. The Tiguan comes with a variation of different driving modes and terrains, so we can switch between individual, sport, normal and eco. We also have snow, off-road and off-road individual. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.